how to link your partner on the Flo app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can link our partner in the Flo app. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you can head over and open up the Flo app in your device if you've already downloaded it. And once you've downloaded it, you will be finding this interface on your screen. So the next step you need to do is head over and go to this option from the navigations. Look for this option called partner in the bottom. And when you do that, you will be finding this on your screen. So all you need to do is go ahead and share this code. You have the 6-digit code here. All you need to do is go ahead and share this code. You can tap on the send pairing code. After that, you can use these options given, which is Instagram, Snapchat, Telegram, and different options available. And the thing is, your partner should also have this app installed on their device. After that, they can also go to this partner section and just go ahead and join us in the app by using the code given. So that is how you share the code from Flo app and invite your partners. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.